Let's look at this. It says, solve the equation cos theta equals to sine 40. Okay? Now, in the first video, I show you something. I said if you have something like this, if here is theta, here is 90 minus theta. Here is 90 degree. Why like that? Because if I have this is 90 degree, and here is theta. To get here, you agree with me, the sum of angles of a triangle is 180. It means if I put S here now, this plus this, that is theta plus this 90 plus this x is equal to 180. So theta plus s equals to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90. Theta plus x. So to get s now, s equals to 90 minus theta. So here I can comfortably write here 90 theta, 90 minus theta. Okay? Now, we are asked to find this. Don't waste your time here. Come here. The first thing you need to ask yourself, what is it? If I have here, for instance, say cos theta. Say this is x, this is y, this is z. Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to s over y, adjacent over hypotenuse. If I want to have this for sine, I want to have this for sine. Say s over y for sine. Sine what? Is sine this 90 minus theta. So you can see the sine of this 90 minus theta is opposite over hypotenuse. That is for sine, sine. For cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So you can see at the end of the day, we are having the same thing. But the difference is the angle, Okay? If you agree with me on this, we can therefore say this and this are equal because this is equal to this. I can simply write now cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Okay? You get it? If I am in the exam hall, I will not do all this. I will go straight to this point. Because I need to explain, that's why I'm writing all this out. So now, because this is equal to this, I can come back to this place now. As you can see, this is exactly the same thing with this. Right? It means, therefore, these two is also equal to this. Okay? So, therefore, I will simply say here, 40 is equal to 90 minus theta. That is, this sine and this sine, this value is equal to this value. Then I can find theta. Theta, therefore, is equal to, I move theta here, I move this here, 90 minus 40. So if you solve this out now, you agree with me, this is 50. This is what we are asked to find by saying solve this. We are asked to find theta. So theta is 50. Hope you understand this.